name is Katarina Sullivan and I'm currently studying for an undergraduate degree in music at the University of Cambridge. Why did you choose the subject you're studying? I chose to study music because I like music. I enjoy singing and playing the piano and talking about music. But in addition to that, I like the fact that when you study music, you also study a variety of other things, such as history, politics, social development, literature. Many people think that music is a very narrow path to go down, but it is as broad as you make it, and I really enjoy that. What did you study at sixth form, college, and why? I completed my high school studies at the Music High School in Sarajevo in Bosnia and Herzegovina. This makes for a very different experience from other UK applicants, but I chose to specialise in piano at high school and most of my subjects were music related, so I had already surrounded myself with what I would end up studying in the future. How did you choose which universities you wanted to apply for? What factors helped you to make that decision? The big thing for me was the syllabus. I looked at a wide range of universities and went through the syllabus of each university I was considering applying for. And this helped me narrow down my options. After doing this, I was then sure that the 3 or 4 universities I ended up applying to would each offer me something that is tailored to both my interests but also my abilities. Can you talk us through your experience of the university application process? The application process for me was rather daunting. I had to fill in a lot of forms and I had to learn to present myself in a truthful and positive way. This was the first time I had to do something like that in such a formal setting. I had to learn how to write my personal statement and I had to discover skills I didn't know I had. And it was a very rewarding experience. I had to speak to people who had already gone through the process in order to understand at least a little bit how it would all work, and I found that very useful. After submitting my written application, I was invited for an interview, which I prepared for as much as I could, but I was still very nervous as soon as I came into the interview room. But I stopped being nervous as soon as I stopped trying to impress the interviewers and I just started talking. What do you like about your experience of university and what are some of the challenges you've faced so far? What I like most about university is being able to live and study with the people whose interests and subjects are completely different to mine. I'm friends with people who study English literature, but I'm also friends with people who study law. And this makes not only for interesting conversations, but also indirectly helps me with my academic work and studies. Each subject excels at different skills, and learning from others benefits my studies just as much as hard work and independent learning. Some of the challenges have been adapting to an environment where learning and studying can feel like a solitary act and where I felt inadequate in some element and where I thought I was the only one feeling like that. I'm embarrassed to say it took me a very long time to realise that most people around me felt the same way, and when I realised this, it eased a lot of the pressure and made me approach university life with a much more positive attitude. What would you like to pursue career-wise after university? I hope to pursue a career in theatre or musical production. I think the most important thing to understand is that going to university is a big undertaking and it will be very challenging, but it is also enormously rewarding. So understanding how great it is and understanding how challenging it is will benefit you. A lot of people want you to succeed, but the most important thing is that you want to succeed and that you like what you're studying, because it will help you succeed.